Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you to Mr. Tito, introduction psycholinguistic lecturer, and fellow students. This time we will discuss about memory for prose. My name is Yosca Marsella, and this is about memory for prose. In this presentation, we will discuss about definition of memory for prose, memory and listening, affecting factors, strategy of memory, stage of remembering, memorization techniques, memory construction, and will end by conclusion. Definition. According to Tolfing E. in 2002, defines episodic memory as the capability to remember specific events and experiences from the past, including what, where, and when it occurs. Meanwhile, Cadden J.A. and Preston C.E. in 2013 define prose as the ordinary form of written or spoken language without rhyme or meter, speech or writing that is not poetry. So we can conclude that definition of memory for prose is complicated product of how the prose is studied, how its content is represented in memory, and how retained information is used in reconstructing the original prose. Okay, next is how important of memory in listening. Memory is crucial for information processing, decision making, and action implementation, serving as bridge between proportion construction and evaluating general knowledge and facts for indirect meanings. There are three main important things that to be concerned in memory in listening. First of all, memory's role from initial sound to recollections. This means that memory have an important role that in the process of receiving information until recalling again the information. The second one is storage during construction, utilization and retrieval process. From this process, we continue to this. Though all the information and data will be stored and begins the process of construction, utilization, and the end is the retrieval process. The third is archive for facts, general knowledge, and indirect meanings. It means that all the memories that in order process will be archived, will be managed in storage of the memory. Well, there are factors affecting memories. There are four in this presentation. We will talk about first one is type of language, ordinary conversation, formal lecture, etc. This means that every kind or type of conversation, is it like informal or formal situation, so formal discussion with different set of language or native can be factors to be affecting the memory. The second one is input, passive listening, memorization, and guess comprehension. It means that all the input of the data will have through with kind of model that with passive listening, and another one is comprehension. The third one is retention interval. It means that it will be differentiate the interval of memory by momentary, or we can say short term, and long term. And the fourth is output. Output is by recall verbatim or interpressive guess. The output is all from the process, a result of this whole process, and become the output in verbatim results. Storage of memory. As mentioned before, storage of memory divided into two types. One is short-term memory. Its character is less for a short duration, typically about a few seconds or maximum 1 minute. But meanwhile, in the long-term memory, the retention which lasts more than that, far more than longer than that. It's overextended period, ranging about hours or in a lifetime. Stage of remembering. There are 3 stages in the remembering of memory. First, encoding. This is the process where all the data that received in our memory has been processed to be input in a form that stored in a memory. The saving, the place that to be saved in the memory is in the storage. After the information is encoded, it needs to be stored in memory for later retrieval. And the last one is retrieval. This is the process where the information after the process of encoding and storage, it should be to be recalled back again. It is the process of accessing and bridging into consciousness stored information when it's needed. Okay, the next is how we memorizing techniques. There are 3 techniques in here that we can apply. First, repetition and concentration in surface features aid memorization. It means that in remembering memory or data, we can do it by repeating the information or the data, so it will longer to be safe. Then the second one is active engagement in studying for verbatim recall. Doing the studying can improve our capability memory. And the third one is utilization of mnemonic devices and rehearsal strategies. All of that can be also applied by using devices. It means that how you continue to practice, it's one of the strategies to memorization technique. And then the next one is memory construction. Memory construction divided into 3 categories. That first is interpretation. It means that how we interpret the prose meaning, that all the data or information that we receive. The second one is reconstruction, how we reconstruct, how we manage the data or information that we receive. The third one is filling. And in the memory of data, there will always be gaps or losing part, and this is the one that the filling part is half row. We should filling the gaps to complete the data or information that we receive in order to have a better result. And yet we can conclude that prose memory is a dynamic process that is impacted by several variables. Knowing its increases improves communication and learning. Opportunities for additional study and application are available in variety of fields. And that will be all my presentation this time. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.